Hello good hearts and godsends, our featured font for today is my favorite font, ANTON Italic. You can find this font in our latest ebook, Canva Fontshord. Glance the 300 plus pages of it and you'll find it on page 2. ANTON Italic is an amazing free account font. You can try it out in your designs. Here are the sample designs I created to inspire your creativity. If you want to have a copy of our latest ebook with 5,800 plus fonts listed in 300 plus pages, wherein we put a star on the Pro account fonts for easy to identify, check and click the link in the description below to get your copy. Enjoy designing with the marvelous fonts inside Canva Fontshord. This is Godson BA Pinky, thanking you for watching this and see you again next time for more featured fonts.